Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best windshield wipers. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Rainex 5079279-2 Latitude 2in1 Wiper Blade. Rainex is a magic elixir that has a reputation for making water repellents that make water bead up and flow right off the windshield. The rubber blades of these wipers have been impregnated with the Rainex solution so that the action of the wipers will deposit the famous, effective coating to the windshield glass. After using these ourselves, we can definitely say they effectively transfer some of the Rainex coating to your hands during installation, though they're easy enough to install. The connectors on these seem larger and more blocky than what you see on other wipers, which may create more wind noise. When I pulled the blades away from the glass and snapped them back into place to clear debris trapped underneath, it left a persistent smudge on the glass, and the coating the wipers deposit on the windshield isn't as clear as the one laid down by the Piaa Super Silicone. Past personal experience leads me to believe the Rainex blades and coating are likely to last well over time, but you can probably do better. Pros: quiet operation, quick water dispersal, wipes bug guts quickly, feature water-resistant coating. Cons: water-resistant solution can get on hands. Number 2. Bosch Automotive Icon 22A Wiper Blade. Another long-standing name in the auto supplier business, Bosch blades have a solid reputation. The list of Bosch wiper product lines is deep, but the Icon blades stand out as being tough enough to put up with winter weather and also last throughout the rest of the year. These blades are easy to install, and the beam-style design maintains good contact with the windshield. An integrated spoiler is also part of the Bosch Icon design, promoting windshield contact at higher speeds. Water is no problem for the blades, but thicker substances seem to be more of a challenge, though they finally wiped away with a shot of the windshield washer. Simulated snow, heavier rain, and lighter mist all wiped away cleanly during testing. In the past, I have been disappointed by the longevity of the rubber in Bosch blades I have tried, but Bosch says its current rubber formulation lasts longer than others. Pros: maintains good contact with windshield surface. No wobble connection, sweeps away water, bugs, and road grime. Inexpensive, easy to install. Cons: some difficulty with thicker substances. Number 3. Rainx RX 30226 Weatherbeater Windshield Wiper Blade. The Rainx Weatherbeater winter blades hold up against weary wintry weather thanks to a galvanized steel frame that prevents rust and corrosion. And like the aforementioned Latitude water repellency 2-in-1, the Weatherbeater features the same squeegee material that wipes clean and clear with every swipe. The natural rubber is resistant to cracking and splitting, even in extreme conditions. For all those reasons, it's our best winter wiper blade pick. But unlike the 2-in-1, which is a beam blade, the Weatherbeater might not conform as well to heavily contoured windshields. But it is designed with multiple pressure points and should do the job for most vehicles, providing clear visibility while battling old man winter. Pros: quick water dispersal. Wipes bug guts quickly. Natural rubber. Conventional. Cons: requires cleaning the windshield before installing blades. Number 4. Michelin 8520 Stealth Ultra Windshield Wiper. Michelin knows a thing or two about rubber. Place infantile joke here, so it is not wholly unreasonable they are in the wiper game. These are the same blades your author put on his trusty Dodge Charger many moons ago, wipers which were still working fine when he sold the thing with 200k on the clock. This is a blade with hinge joints, not the frameless type, a feature which, in my experience, provides more force on the blade for better contact on the car's windshield. This gives a better sweep. Unlike El Cheapo blades, the hinge system is covered, which keeps out debris and random bits of skull fired out the window of that bulldozer hogging the left lane. Allegedly, independent tests showed the thing was still serviceable after 300,000 wipe cycles, an industry-leading performance. Kids, make sure to ask your school's guidance counselor about a future in the field of windshield wiper testing. Number 5. Piaa 96130 Aero Vogue Silicone Wiper Blade / The Piaa Aero Vogue solves the fashion problem of its traditional style brethren above by having one of the most linear, aerodynamic windshield wiper designs. The minimalist style of this premium blade is partly due to vents built within the cover to increase airflow while minimizing chatter of the silicone wiper and wind lift at high wiper arm speeds. Basically, they work exactly like the vents, ducts and hood scoops you see on performance vehicles. In addition to the water-beating effect of the silicone coating for the windscreen, the material is highly resistant to sun and UV exposure. The pliability of the silicone also allows the silicone rubber blade to have superior contact with the curvature of the windshield glass. However, the same flexibility might make it difficult to sweep away fast-falling flakes during a winter snowstorm. Installation of these pricey silicone blade wipers, including blade replacement, is quick and easy. And these silicone wiper blades come with a nice 1-year warranty, too.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.